So the last video that we posted about the F-150 that we wrapped to the bed, a gentleman emailed us and he wanted his bed to be Raptor. So take a look of the bed. As you can see, the bed looks already dull, looks nasty. So what we're gonna do is restore it for him, make it look new, and that should be it. It should be an easy job. All we're gonna do is scuff it, prime it, tape it, and easy. So let's get to it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with this truck with the C71. As you can see, we already took off the tailgate from the bed, and it's pretty much easy. The paint looks already dull and looks like it's already coming off, so it's gonna be an easy job. So what we're gonna start with is sanding. As soon as we're done sanding, we're gonna prime it, and as soon as we're done priming it, we're gonna tape and shoot the Raptor. That's pretty much it. So let's get to it. Okay guys, now that we're done scuffing the bed and taping, it's ready to put the first layer of etching primer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this wall, this one, this wall. As soon as it's already dry, I'm gonna start with the bottom of the bed and make my way down. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're done putting the etching primer on there. You know, you're only supposed to really much get the where it's like bare metal, so like right here. Pretty much we had bare metal right there, all this. But we had a few extras, so we just put it on the whole bed. So we're pretty much done putting the etching primer on the tailgate and the bed over there. So now we're just gonna let it sit there and dry, and then spray on the Raptor. Cheers.
Alright guys, so we let it sit there for like an hour, so it's already dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it the first coat of Raptor, and that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's the first coat. We're gonna let it sit there for about 45 minutes and let it dry. As soon as that's done, we're gonna give it to the second coat and that should be it. So let's just wait.
Alright guys, so we already let the Raptor dry. We went ahead and put on the tailgate, so when we texture the bed, we can also go ahead and texture the tailgate too. And we also have this little part right here that we didn't get to spray, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, just get to it, and it'll come out great. Alright guys, that's the second coat. That's a texture coat correction. How we're gonna do now is just let it sit there and dry for a good 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and take off all the paper and tape and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys.
This truck, and as you can see, it came out pretty good. We restored it, looks better now. And also guys, if you guys have any questions and you guys need help, please shoot us an email. We'll be willing to help you guys. And as other than that, this is it. So thank you a lot, thank you for your support, and like and subscribe.